Hello, little explorers, and welcome to our amazing underwater adventure. Are you ready to dive deep into the big blue ocean and meet some incredible sea animals? I'm so excited! Let's get our goggles on and jump right in. Look! What's that swimming by? It's a dolphin. Dolphins are super smart and love to play in the waves. Can you say dolphin? Great job! And over there, with a big, friendly smile, that's a whale. Whales are the giants of the ocean, and they sing beautiful songs. Let's say it together. Whale. Wow! Look at that majestic creature with a big fin. That's a shark. Sharks are powerful swimmers and very important for the ocean. Say shark. Fantastic! And who's this? Scuttling along the ocean floor. It's a crab. Crabs have a hard shell and walk sideways. Can you say crab? You're doing so well. What's floating gently over there? It's a jellyfish. Jellyfish look like beautiful, glowing umbrellas drifting in the water. Let's say jellyfish. And look at this smarty pants with 8 long arms. It's an octopus. An octopus can change its color to hide. Say octopus. Amazing! Wiggling through the coral, we see a sea snake. Sea snakes are fascinating reptiles that live their whole lives in the water. Say sea snake. And who's that peeking out from a shell? It's a cute little sea snail. They carry their homes on their backs. Can you say sea snail? Perfect. Oh, look at that bright orange fish with white stripes. It's a clownfish, just like in the movies. Clownfish love to live in sea anemones. Let's say clownfish. And gliding gracefully by is a sea turtle. Sea turtles have been swimming in the oceans for a very long time. Say sea turtle. Wonderful! What's that spiky friend rolling on the seabed? It's a sea urchin. They look like little ocean hedgehogs. Can you say sea urchin? You got it! And flapping its wings like a bird underwater, that's a ray. Rays are flat and love to glide through the sea. Say ray. Look closely in the sand. Can you see it? It's a starfish, also called a sea star. They have 5 arms and look just like a star from the sky. Let's say starfish. And what's this with a long, curly tail? It's a seahorse. Seahorses are tiny fish that swim upright. Say seahorse. You're a sea animal expert. Zipping through the water is a speedy tuna. Tuna are super fast swimmers. Can you say tuna? Excellent! And who's this with the big, round eyes and a funny face? It's a pufferfish. When it gets scared, it puffs up like a big ball. Let's say pufferfish. Wow! Check out that colorful creature. It's a lobster. Lobsters have big, strong claws and a long body. Can you say lobster? Fantastic! And swimming in a big group, what do we see? It's a school of sardines. Sardines love to stick together. Let's say sardines. Here comes a beautiful angelfish. They are so colorful and elegant, like underwater royalty. Say angelfish. And look, it's a walrus. Walruses have long tusks and funny whiskers. Can you say walrus? Great! What's hiding in that shell? It's a clam. Clams can snap their shells shut to stay safe. Let's say clam. And who's this with 8 arms and 2 long tentacles? It's a squid. Squid can squirt ink to get away from danger. Say squid. You're doing a super job. Gliding along, we have a manta ray. They are giant, gentle rays that look like they're flying through the water. Let's say manta ray. And here comes a big, gentle giant manatee. Manatees are often called sea cows because they are slow and peaceful. Say manatee. Look at that long, pointy nose. It's a swordfish. They use their long sword to hunt for smaller fish. Can you say swordfish? Awesome! And peeking out from the rocks is a moray eel. They are long, snake-like fish that hide in crevices. Say moray eel. What's this amazing animal? It's a narwhal. They are sometimes called the unicorns of the sea because of their long tusk. Let's say narwhal. And look at this beautiful snail without a shell. It's a nudibranch. They come in all sorts of bright, amazing colors. Say nudibranch. And our final two animals. Look at this big, powerful swimmer. The orca, orcas, also known as killer whales, are actually a type of dolphin. Say orca. And last but not least, here's a playful sea lion. They are noisy and love to bark and play on the rocks. Can you say sea lion? Wow, you did it! We met 30 incredible ocean animals today. From the tiny seahorse to the giant whale, the ocean is full of amazing life. You learned all their names. I am so proud of you. Thank you so much for joining our deep sea adventure. I had so much fun with you. If you want to go on more learning journeys with us, don't forget to ask a grown-up to help you follow and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. See you next time, little explorers. Bye-bye.